Hey guys! Today I just got this new product in my mailbox. It's from Venn, skincare product company. I actually joined their 3-day challenge using only their products for 3 days because their product is only one, so you don't even need to use anything other than that. So those 3 days, actually I was able to do it for a longer day because I had enough to use it for about a week. So their product was awesome. So they sent me this for the reward that I did the challenge. Yay! So it's not the same product that I use for the challenge, but it says it's a concentrated revitalizing lift mask for all skin type. So I haven't actually opened it, so it's like unboxing video too at the same time. So I like the packaging. It looks really sleek. Okay. So it's the one in the tube. Read the direction. Apply generously to cleanse face and neck. Massage any excess into skin. So let's use this. So it doesn't seem like it's the wash off mask because it doesn't say I should be washing it off, or like if I should let it if I should leave it for a certain minute. So let me try it. It says lifting mask, so there was a little seal. So it looks like so the texture is kind of like lotion. So I think it's a leave-on mask. It doesn't smell bad, meaning it smells like some sort of plain mask. It smells similar to those IDK masks. Let me apply this on my neck too. Yes, I want lifting. You know what? I think I should use this for several days to do an actual review. So this is going to be my first day of using Venn concentrated revitalizing lifting mask. It feels good. So I've been using this almost every day. I like it so far. Almost every day, meaning the day that I don't do clay mask or there's like those wash off mask, I just use this. So like that's almost like every other day, or like I think I've been using this for, so it's been about 2 weeks, and I think I used at least 3 times a week. I think I like it so far. We'll see. Make sure to use it on the neck as well. So I actually started my routine of using this one because I realized that this keeps my skin moisturized for quite a long time. From its description, it says it keeps your skin moisturized for 24 hours. I mean, I cannot exactly say that because I'm not staying up for 24 hours, but what I realized was that it actually does keep it for like for a whole day if I put it in the morning. So that's something I can say for sure. As it's a lifting mask, I should be using this at least for a month to see the difference, I believe. I don't know, because most of those functioning products doesn't show show the result like right away. So I'll see. So I actually extended its usage. So I only use this for like once a day, either night or in the morning. But now I like it so much, so I'm using this in the morning and the night. Not so sure about the lifting, to be honest, but for sure, it really is a good moisturizer. So smooth. Like, oh, so soft and tender. It's like tenderizer. Now I don't remember like this is like how many times I've been using this, but actually I've been using this almost every day. I think I mentioned the benefit of this mask before that I've been feeling. So yes, I can definitely say that this mask works really good as a moisturizer, and it keeps my skin hydrated for like day long, really. So how I can be sure is that I haven't been drinking much of water recently. What happens? I don't drink water. My skin got really dry, of course, and since I've been using this one, I didn't feel any dryness on my skin. However, I have to drink the water. So yes, this is really good for hydration, like moisturizing, really. So that one I can say. But for the lifting, I don't want to say it doesn't work because I'm not that old enough, I don't know. But for moisturizing, really good. Yes. So I'm going to put the link down there in the description if you guys want to try this one. For those people who are suffering from dryness, I really recommend this one. Definitely, yes. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you like my video and if you guys want to keep watching my skincare routines and reviews on the products, please like and comment. If you have any suggestion or question or anything, please comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.